unboxing. Let's unbox together. And this is a note from my sister, which gave me this Cricut. And it's just a friendly reminder that says, replace film after every use to keep cutting mat free of debris. Use dish soap and sponge to clean and reactivate adhesiveness. Allow to air dry. Happy crafting. Love, sister. She included a whole bunch of, well, I don't know if this came with it or she included this, but I have my transfer tape, printable vinyl. She gave me these projectors or folder files so that I can put my vinyl on it as I cut. This is premium vinyl, some more permanent premium vinyl. It is loaded. It is so much. It's a whole bunch of different sheets. More transfer tape. And a strong grip transfer tape. Let's see. Okay. Now these are pre-cut vinyl, fearless. There's other things in here. The manual. What kind of creator are you? I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get started and see everything that's in here. And learn everything it is to learn about this Cricut. Okay, this is the weeder. And the moment that we've all been waiting for, I know I have. See, I have a industrial plotter. It's much larger. Now I have been wanting a smaller vinyl cutter just because I want to start doing more shows. Now what I normally do is when I do my embroidery, I can take that machine, but my plotter is just so big and it's not space friendly. So I wanted this Cricut, and I've been debating and reading up on them for a very long time now, just because I have such a heavier machine. I just wanted something more compact. So here we go. Here is our Cricut, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Let's pull it out the box. Oh, it's so light. Oh my God. Just taking off all the little safety things to keep it protected in the box. We have more supplies in the box, but for now, we are going to, it's home, you guys. It is home. I'm so excited. I have the one in my favorite color. Any shade of purple and pink I love. And here she goes. She's so pretty. She goes well. She fits well at her new home. Ooh. Get all the plastic off. She's so pretty. Oh. And there we have it. My first Cricut. And she will belong right here. Welcome home, Cricut. We're gonna just call her Jazzy. Jazzy's Creative Space. Now I want to get out the rest of the supplies. You have a scraper. This is what comes in this bundle. I have to learn and see what it is you do with this. And I guess this is some kind of pen they give you, a marker. I don't know. I'll figure this out once I open it. And here's the plug that comes with it. This goes, I'm sure, from the computer to the Cricut. And here is the adapter plug to get her started. So I'm gonna do another video to show you how I start my Cricut designing or whatever it is that I'm gonna learn how to do on the Cricut, because like I say, the Cricut is very new to me. Designing is not. Now I just have to see if this software that I have already is compatible with the Cricut software, because I already have a plotter. So now I just have to see if it's compatible with the Cricut. Okay guys, well thanks for watching my unboxing of my Cricut Explorer Air 2. Happy crafting!